If your videos are not getting views, it might not necessarily be your content. It might not be that your content is not good enough. It might just be the title or your thumbnail. And guess what? YouTube now lets you test these two things against each other. In the next 3 minutes, I'll just be showing you how smart creators use the A and B testing to increase clicks and views without having to upload a new video. Okay, so stay with me. Let's get down to business. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Peggy, and you're on here with Grow with Peggy. On this channel, all we do is bring you successful tips that we have tested over the years on our various channels, and we've seen success. Okay, so stay with us on this channel. Let's get you into increasing your views even without posting a new video. Now, what is A and B testing? This simply means creating 2 or 3 different versions of your title or your thumbnail and letting YouTube test which one performs better. Now, how does this work? When you're uploading your video, instead of you to write just one title, YouTube has given you an opportunity to put 3 titles there. Instead of you to upload just one thumbnail, YouTube has given you an opportunity to put in 3 thumbnails. So by the time that video is made published, each of these thumbnails and the titles will be sent to different audience. Okay, and by the end the testing period, YouTube will automatically choose the thumbnail better at that video, and that becomes your thumbnail. So because we all know that thumbnails and titles are the most important things that make our video to either get click or people just click out. So most times it's not really your content that is bad, but you've not been able to crack the perfect thumbnail and also to crack a clickable title. 2 thumbnails side by side. Wow, how does it feel? You wouldn't even know that this is happening. Or 2 titles on the screen. You wouldn't even know that this is happening. Instead of guessing what people will click, YouTube shows each version to different viewers and track which one gets the highest click. Now, why does this matter? Your contents could be amazing, but if nobody clicks, then nobody watches. Okay, and I always tell people that it is your impressions that give rise to what? That give rise to your views. More impressions equals more views. More views equals more growth, especially when it is relevant for small creators. Now I'll take you on a step-by-step approach on how you can achieve this. First of all, go to your YouTube studio. You have to write this down, okay? Get a pen and paper and write this down. Go to your YouTube studio, click on content, select your video, go to thumbnail section. On there, you're going to load in your 3 thumbnails. You're going to see the space bar for you to load in your 3 thumbnails. Then you click on test and compare. Do the same thing for the title. When you're keying in your to put in 3 titles, you're going to see the space there. Okay, then upload your video normally and the test will be carried out. Okay, now I would like you to stop blaming the algorithm. Start testing your packaging. Small changes in thumbnails can change everything. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel this year, testing is no longer an option. Let us know in the comment section if you're going to try this out, and I bet you should try it out. Okay, subscribe to the channel, stay connected to us for more YouTube growth tips. You are determined to grow your channel this year, and we are also determined to go with you on that journey. Okay, until we come your way again in our next video, please keep uploading. Never give up, because there is a lot of advantage here on YouTube and it favors everybody. Okay, ciao.